Hi everyone, today we are going to demonstrate how HCL Universal Orchestrator can be used to automate a continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline. The new implementation of the Json and Yaml format lets you have more item types in the same file, and we'll show you how changes made in your pre-production environment can be instantly visible in your production environment. This is a production environment where we have our definitions in YAML format. In the definitions file, we have listed all the items in the production environment. In this scenario, we have made some successful tests in the prep-prod environment, and we want to move some of the definitions to the production environment. So, in the prod repository, we are adding an internal predecessor with the help of Copilot, and we can add a run cycle that makes it so that this job stream runs every day. Once we made the changes, we go to Git and commit our changes to our local repository. In our local repository, in the Settings tab, we've created a webhook that points to our HCL Universal Orchestrator GitHub. In the PowerShell, using the command \ocli model display event source, it shows the webhook GitHub event source that is online and listening. When this event source receives our webhook, it triggers a job stream that pulls the repository that performs the replace action of the definitions. This whole process is triggered by using the sync changes action. Checking the old definition, we can see that there is no internal predecessor or run cycle. After performing the sync changes action, we can see the changed definition in the repository. And we can also see the change we made through the PowerShell. Finally, we can monitor the job stream we modified, now on hold, waiting to start at the time defined by the run cycle we added.